Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. Nothing brightens up a rainy day like plant mail. Today's sponsor is a U.S. plant seller by the name of Plants Top. Let me share a little bit with you about this company. They are an ornamental plant selling company located in New Jersey in the United States. And they sell a variety of rare plants and hard to find plants, both retail and wholesale. They are also plant handlers for some of the large plant importers. And the nice thing about that is they have plants that are available right here in the U.S., as well as they import plants and have, those available to you also to be ordered on their website. So the best of both worlds without having to worry about an import license, phytosanitary certificate, long travel, and all of that. I have never done business with this company, so we will be learning them together. They did give me a discount code so that you can order from them and get 15% off with code PEGGY15. I'll have a link and the discount code in the description box below the video. This package took about 4 days to arrive at my home once I was notified that it had been shipped. So I'm not expecting a lot of, the plants to be highly stressed because they were mailed here in the U.S. and they didn't take that long to get here. So that's always something to consider. So here we go. Goodie number 1. Let's check this out. This says it is a warrock, so I'm excited about that. I do have a warrock, but it's a small one. I've never had a mature one, and from the looks of this, it's not only mature, but in a pot, which is always a good thing. And that's another thing about importing plants. Plants can't be imported in soil. So you're always going to get a plant that's either bare root or in sphagnum moss or something like that. If I can get a plant that's already potted in the pot that it is grown in, especially, I love that because I know how it was grown. Oh, look at this. This is a really nice size plant. I did not expect this. Very nice. It looks really healthy. It looks like it traveled well. Look at this. I'm very excited about this plant. Ooh, it's in excellent condition. I don't think this plant could have possibly shipped any better than it did. And you can see, look at that. Look, you can see the roots through the container. Love a clear container. Nice roots in here for sure. And again, I love that it's in soil already established. I can see how it was grown, whereas if you get one in sphagnum moss or whatever, you have no idea. And I decided to leave it in the plastic pot that it was in, and I just set it in a decorative pot. And I have it over here by a window that gets bright indirect light. Although right now it's raining and windy and all of that, so it's not getting a whole lot of light, but it will get bright indirect light, and it seems to be happy. I've had it now for about a week, and it's doing well, a little over a week and a half. All I did was make the holes a little bigger that were in the container. And other than that, I, inspected the soil, didn't see any issues or anything like that. Don't smell any rot from it or anything. And definitely checked it for pests. But look at these roots. The plant seems to be doing really, really well. So I'm 100% happy with this plant. And it seems to be acclimating very well to my home. I really like the use of the plastic container and the lid with the cutout for the stems, the petioles and stuff like that. Very neat way to package a plant that you're shipping. And the moss on the top to keep it moist. Love that. Very clever and very neat. I'm very impressed with the size of these plants. And after seeing the first one and how well it's shipped and packaged, and I don't think I'll have to do anything to it in terms of replanting it and everything, repotting. I love this. This is great. Oh my goodness. And this one looks like it's going to be the same. Very nice. Look at this. This is an Anthurium veitchii. Again, I have a very small one of these that I've had for a couple of years now that I imported. It's struggling, not doing well. Look at this one. This is absolutely beautiful and big and healthy looking. Ooh, look at the veining in there. Love it. I'm really liking what I'm seeing so far from this seller from Plants Top. I will definitely be doing business with them in the future. And for this plant, I decided I would not disturb the roots either. Of course, I checked the plant out just like I did the other one for pests and all of that. After a couple of days, this one was still a little wobbly, so I kind of put some of that Velcro plant tape at the base as well as at the top to, just help it stand upright. And again, I made the holes larger. I need to put some more holes on the sides of this pot too, I think. And but I mean, it's doing well. It never went limp or anything. I'm just trying to give it some support, but this is a great looking plant. Very healthy. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm very excited about these plants. I know I keep saying the same thing. Let me move on. Bear with me. I'm trying to trying to maintain my poise, but I am so excited right now. Okay, plant number 3 looks about the same size as the other two. This is so exciting. I feel like a kid at Christmas. I really do. These are some of the nicest plants that I have received from ordering online. It's just amazing the condition of these plants, and I'm very impressed with the size and the quality. Just really, really nice. So let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness. This plant is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is a Philodendron giganteum marble variegata. Oh my gosh. Look at this plant. Look at that variegation. How beautiful is that? And there's some new growth at the base. I don't see a lot of roots in here, but I'm not concerned. Wow, very nice once again. So with this plant, I decided to actually repot it. It had some nodes at the bottom, and so I decided to put it on a moss pole to go ahead and train it so as it grows, it will grow into the pole. And I'm excited to see what it does. Very healthy, as you can see. All the leaves are upright and all of that. And I just have this over on my countertop by where I work on my computer so I can look at it all the time. Another beautiful plant from Plants Top. I am so impressed. Now, these plants were all plants that said they were available in the US, so they weren't plants that I ordered online from their company and that they were imported. All of these, if you look at their website, say available in the US. On to plant number 3. Now, this is a little smaller plant. I know it's a Hoya. I'm not a big Hoya person, but there's certain ones I am drawn to, and this particular one is definitely one of those. I love, again, their clever way in which they packaged it, nice and neat, and protecting the leaves. They have, I mean, you have to, I give them an A+ on packaging and packing these plants because I've never seen anything like it, and I absolutely love it. I wish all of my plants in the mail came this way. But this is a Hoya SP Tangamus or Tangamus. I don't know how to pronounce it. Like I said, I'm not a Hoya person. But this one, I I had to look it up online when they sent me a list of what they sent to me to see what it looked like. And I am excited about it. It has the deep veining, and I'm just that person, and the different coloration and all of that. So if I can get it out of here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at this. And again, it's a small plant, but the leaves are nice and mature. Look at that veining on these leaves. That's amazing, beautiful. Ooh, I love it. How different is that? So for this plant, I decided once again to leave it in the container that it arrived in. Everything seems to be healthy. I left the sphagnum moss at the top, and I just set it here on the bottom shelf of this glass table where it will get indirect bright light as well. And so far, so good. Like I said, it's been about a week and a half, close to 2 weeks since I got these plants, and none of them have shown any stress, to include this little Hoya that I'm very excited about. Here's a look at all of the plants that I received today from Plants Top. And all I can say is wow. I am very impressed with the quality and condition of these plants. I definitely plan to do some business with them in the future. So don't forget to take a look down in the description box. I have their social media, links to their social media sites, as well as a link to their store. If you decide to make a purchase, make sure you get your 15% discount by using code PEGGY15. And that is also down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate you taking time out to do so. I know you have a lot of options out there, and I definitely appreciate your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so today. Greatly appreciated. So thank you so much. Take care, stay well, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.